Always been a Mumbai girl?
Yeah, born and brought up here.
Which school, college did
I went
you
to
go to?
AVM, Arya Vidya Mandir.
Okay, Juhu.
And Juhu. I went to
Okay.
AVM Juhu. Then I did my A levels from RIMS International. Then I
Right.
did my Open University from Mumbai University
Okay,
because I went to film school simultaneously,
right.
which was at Whistling Woods. After Whistling Woods, I was asked to leave like in
I know.
within a year. It's a famous story. So I'm at interviews. I'm like, now should I just like say it again? But I'm like, you know what? It's out. So now, क्या छुपा रही हूँ?
But वो किस वजह से? Attendance कम था इसलिए?
Yeah, tennis. It's stupidity. You know, I was too young to understand how important that
Yeah.
film course was, you know,
Yeah.
and I would not, I think like, especially if you're going for a professional course like filmmaking, you should have a certain amount of maturity. I would say, I mean, for me, I feel that's when it went wrong.
But then you corrected that.
So I then did my open schooling
Yeah.
from Mumbai because my parents were like, you have to finish your graduation. Like,
Yeah.
because they didn't know what would happen with me.
Yeah.
But I started working. There were some friends of mine because of film school that I knew that were working on different sets. I would keep visiting their set, asking for work. I was like, you know, do you know of anybody who's looking for an assistant and AD? So that time casting was nowhere on the radar for me.
Yeah.
And then a friend of mine told me that in YRF they are looking for a casting assistant. And I didn't know what that is. I
Yeah.
just went and I gave the interview and I didn't pass. I didn't go through the interview. There was somebody else that they chose. But then
But
after...
interview, एक casting director के interview में क्या questions होते होंगे? I'm
I
just
think-
thinking.
I think it was most my first boss Abhimanyu Ray, who
Yeah.
I love. Like I've learned so much from him. I think it was more about like just knowing my inclination and
True.
whatever. Like, you know, if I'm
Yeah.
serious about it, because I was 17, you know, so I really...
Is that when you started
Yeah.
working at 17?
At 17. So I think he was just like confused that, is she serious
Yeah.
about it? And I didn't get through. Then again, for a month or something, I was trying to get a job, whatever. Then I got a call from Abhimanyu sir because the girl that was chosen decided to go for her further education, thank God. And they needed somebody right away. And he called
Yeah.
me in and that's it. Like it's that day that I entered the doors of IRF, I've still not left.
You always wanted to be an actor, right?
Always.
तो आप जब interview के लिए गए, there was no hint of, or you didn't mention that you want to be an actor or anything.
Not at all, because I don't look like a conventional, what a conventional Hindi film heroine needs to look like. And especially, you know, when I was starting off, the representation on screen was very different. So in my head, I always knew this is what I want to do. और मुझे हमेशा पता था कि ये मैं करके रहूँगी. I think तब मुझ में वो और film school में मैं acting ही पढ़ ली थी. I don't think I had the confidence to actually go out and tell people this is what I want to do.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, if I do tell people, will they take me seriously? You know, because right now I was like, okay, I'm very young. I have age on my side. I wanted to learn everything. मुझे सिर्फ सीखना था कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. I was so lucky that I started off with casting because I was still around acting.
Yes.
You know, so every day मैं auditions conduct करती थी. मैं literally जब आप audition ले रहे होते हो तो it's like a skit, right? That
Yeah.
I'm doing. So whoever we auditioning and बाकी की lines मैं लेती थी. So every day there were like 100 actors that I would audition. So it was like film school for me जहाँ पे मैं I was always in touch with what I was doing.